What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be doing another variation of a roll. This time it's going to be directly across the chest to the sleeves. I've already drawn a line from the top to the bottom. This is a 100% cotton white t-shirt. It has been pre-washed, soaked in soda ash, and spun out. It's currently inside out, so after you center it and draw a line, first grab the center, right at the top, at the crew neck, and at the bottom. I'm going to make sure that line has a good fold on it. After that, I'm going to kind of push in the sleeve. I'm going to grab this center here from the back of the neck. I'm going to grab the center at the bottom here. I'm going to drag that over. And I'm going to shake this sleeve right through that other sleeve. And then at this time, it's basically just going to be moving around that shirt to get out the wrinkles and make sure everything's even. Down here at the bottom. Once you have that done, we're going to draw a line directly across the center of the chest to the sleeve. And at this point, we're going to start rolling directly on this line. Make sure both sides are equal. I use my 2 fingers as a guide, and I allow the line to go through the center. Keep it tight. Roll the shirt with it slightly. But your main point of focus is going to be this line. Just keep rolling. At this point, we're going to bend it directly where that line was. Point this straight down. Give it a good little squeeze. Then we're going to secure that with rubber bands. And with this bottom section, I want to twist it. It's going to give a little bit more of a dramatic effect on the roll itself. So make sure everything's equal here and just start to twist it. It's going to want to roll back on itself, so you might have to retwist it a few times. I just band up the bottom to hold it. And I'll put a couple rubber bands in between.